You should kiss each other.
Huh?
Everyone said
What do you say brace for? What do you mean earthquake? Australia's underwater. Buddy, you're a mod! 50 dead in Alaska. Yo!
And the 33000 cheer 200 bits. Case they had to build a V around you where you could fit in it.
Yo, what? Yo! Come on, man.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Holy crap.
No, that's wild.
I felt that on the other side of the world.
That hurt my leg.
Whoa.
Echo.
Love keep moving forward in life and take less tasks.
What'd he say? It was echoing.
Dude,
He
why
said
did
something.
like double wind?
You don't know what he's doing.
Chat, I need to... Bro. My house is falling. Titanic sank up again.
Yo, no way. You're canceled.
Princess Birch.
No.
Is case single eyes Prince 29 kiss.
What?
Bro, don't do this now.
No, it's echoing, man.